Okay, I meant to do this earlier. I've gotten a lot of this done, but this is an old bowl that they were trying to carve by hand last year, and this wood is so nearly impossible to do by hand. It's like chiseling concrete. So I put it on the lathe. I got a little bit of epoxy in here. I'm going to pour some more in, but I'm going to get this just a little bit smoothed out and get a little more smoother. You can see where it's pretty chopped up. That was from hand chiseling last year. And get the side view here. You can see how I'm going to leave a rough edge like that. I might actually burn it. And then I'm going to pour epoxy so the epoxy fills up about right here. And oh, it's cracking. Oh, if it doesn't crack totally, this wood's prone to crack and fall apart. So we will see what happens. I might have to stop right here and just put the epoxy in. But then I'm going to fill it up with epoxy and then lathe out the epoxy because it's going to look cool. So I'm going to do this little project in, part 1, 2, 3. This is obviously part 1. And I'll post more videos as I have time to do this.